Hi! In front of me is OPPO A54s, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off autocorrection on this smartphone. First of all, you need to access settings. Now scroll all the way down and choose additional settings. Following that, you need to click on keyboard and input method, then Gboard, and finally text correction. Over here, scroll down, tap on the switcher next to autocorrection feature, and as you can see, automatic text correction is now off. But you can always turn it back on by tapping on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and definitely subscribe. Bye!